This 2023 Entegra Coach Reatta XL 40Q2 triple slide, 1.5 baths, king suite is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Entegra Coach is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a tan, cream classic neutral with Almond Cabinetry interior, sleeps 10, air conditioning, slideout, auxiliary battery, Skylight, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, couples coach, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Entegra Coach Reatta XL 40Q2 triple slide, 1.5 baths, king suite is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.